For 65 years, Vegeta has made everything taste better. It's been a kitchen staple for generations. But times are changing. Younger audiences weren't connecting with the brand, and Vegeta needed a fresh approach to capture their attention. So we designed new packaging and launched a bold new digital campaign. To engage and activate our target audience, we partnered with jewelry designer Maja Miletić and created the Vegete ring. Partnering with top influencers, the Vegete ring was showcased as the perfect fix for any meal, anytime, anywhere. We also launched a contest which sparked user creativity and drove engagement. The campaign culminated by showcasing the rings at a fashion show, solidifying Vegete's place in contemporary culture. The result? Everything tastes better with Vegeta.